I'm Humayun Azhar. I'm heading Crest Ventures, which is an angel investment firm. In Crest Ventures, our criteria is very simple. If we come across two companies which are on similar footing, the one which has more social impact will, I think, get our money. So social impact is very big to me. Crest Ventures, the first thing obviously in any such activity you need is a board of advisors. I was very lucky. Some people who work with me have agreed to join and are part of my board of advisors. We look from a Pakistan perspective. Pakistan healthcare is a problem, innovation in agriculture is a problem, renewable energy is a problem. Then we look at the world tech startup scene as to where money is going. Now, for an angel to be successful, the company needs to exit, either through a IPO or through acquisition. So, our Silicon Valley in this regard is India. Culture, barring some social and cultural differences, whatever is happening in India is happening with a delay of 6 months to about a year. So, I've been involved with some work in India in different capacities for the last 30 years. I'm well networked there. So any company I invest in here, if it happens to have a parallel in India, that further helps and we know the trajectory the companies are going in. I think the main problem in Pakistan right now is just like when we started Crestsoft, everyone and their mama has set up incubators and accelerators. I don't know whether they are trained for it. Secondly, and most importantly, tech startup in Pakistan is not defined. So we see a lot of companies which are not tech startup. So small and medium enterprises presenting themselves as tech startups. So that to me is the biggest challenge. The more and more companies are coming in, but the quality is going down. And I've been talking to all incubators about it. And I think we all need to read Startup 2016 package of India, which has a definition of all this. In the next 8 years, if we are able to take one or two companies from Pakistan, public or massive big acquisitions, I think we would have done our job and started a process which encourages a lot of others to get into this similar field. I think Pakistan has tremendous potential. I'm a big believer on the IT skills and the capabilities of Pakistani youth. I think I would like my legacy to be, this is a guy who did something different, who made a difference. Like I said, social impact is very big to me. So if a company like Travely or Sukoon are able to live their potential, not only they will help the tech startup scene or the ecosystem and further companies going out, but they will touch the life of millions. So as many lives I can touch, and this is like having your cake and eat it too. So if they are able to exit or get acquired, my fund is going to do good, but I'll also do a lot of social good, which is very big for me. Similarity between Crest Ventures and Crestsoft is there. When we started Crestsoft, if you couldn't get into any other school, you would go to IT university, and IT graduate, had difficulty finding jobs, and if they got jobs, it was paper pushing. In those days, the Pakistanis, this is pre 9/11. So those days, the Pakistanis who were coming back for two reasons: parents getting old or daughters growing up. We changed that. So we provide them exciting IT jobs in Pakistan. I think we will try to do something similar in the tech startup scene. I think for any tech startup, first litmus test is what is your risk aversion level. So this is a difficult path you are undertaking. We want to encourage it, but at the same time, it's our duty to tell you this is not an easy path you've chosen. The reason why we are here is we chose this path, we've been there, we've done it, we want to enable you to do it. And the second most important thing is know thyself. So you can put any front in front of anyone, but you got to know yourself. So as long as you know yourself and you know the risks you are taking, I think the chances of success are much higher. I think local startup ecosystem is very exciting. At the same time, we don't want to disillusion a lot of people. Tech startup is serious business, needs to be defined what a tech startup is, what kind of verticals we should be looking into. I'm sure we can do innovation or tech startups in many different verticals, but we need to follow the trend of where the money is coming in. Into the rest of the world, which sectors are being promoted more, and let them be. Plus, the other things are obviously things which start out of a need. So, if there is a need, in case of Travely, the founder was thrown out of a car which he used to share, and that's how Travely came into being. So, I think need is very important. Our benchmarking, I think, in the ICT industry should be benchmarked to India. I think we are way behind. If you look at terms of their population and general infrastructure, we should be 10 times less of them. We are much less, so I think there's much more room to grow in that sector. I think social media marketing will be very big in time to come. If you look at the West, there is a big change from these billboards to newspaper advertisements to all that. A lot of trend is moving, and I think Pakistan will move. It's a big retail market, and most of the businesses are now realizing. I mean, you see most of the companies now have Facebook pages. The next thing, they're going to have Twitter accounts. So that is the way to go. Not only that, there are tools available which can, unlike a billboard, also give you ROI on what your social media spend is. Pakistan has one very unique problem. Pakistan perception is bad, reality is not that good. Our challenge is perception. Once you bring someone in Pakistan and once he sees the kind of people and the way we live and the way we conduct ourselves, they love it. The main challenge is bringing it. So I think institutions like IDG, publications like IDG, other publications, we need to do more positive spin. I mean, I've stopped watching local media news channels. It's all, hue and cry and crisis. This is how we are presenting ourselves to the world. So I think much more needs to be done in terms of perception improvement, and IDG and other publications should play their due role in this. I think TIE is a fantastic organization. It's the largest non-profit entrepreneurship network in the world. I think we need to do a lot more for its awareness, and I think we have a lot to give. We're trying to address through entrepreneurship the problems Pakistan is facing and the lack of innovation in it. So I think I can pretty much play its role there. Last, my thing would be something which my guru says: stay hungry, stay foolish, follow your heart. Pakistan Zindabad.